Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We took the first attempt at moving tokens from left-hand side to right-hand side, and the algorithm passed our initial test. It is implemented in this for loop. Okay, today we will challenge the algorithm to determine if it needs adjustments. So we have here an inequality written in larger than form. I will change it into a smaller than form, the same inequality. So instead of saying b plus f times x is larger than t, I will say t is smaller than b plus f times x. So I will say t is smaller than b plus f times x. I will save this file. Save as. Analysis 005.json. So it will be my fifth test case. Okay, let's execute this test case. 005. Okay, and what we have our initial formula t is smaller than b plus f times x. It found the t, it moved it to the right hand side, but now, well, here it should have been a 0 is smaller than b plus f times x minus t. So I have a problem when left hand side it's empty. I should put a 0, and well, as a matter of fact, I may have a 0 from the beginning. So the initial formula might be 0 is smaller than b plus f times x minus t. So I have two problems. First, if I have a 0, I shouldn't check if x is in token or is not in token. I should take it out and I should put it back only after reshuffling the sides. I have an empty side. So I will say here. So first let's check if I pop the 0. So I will say if token in. So a 0 might be a 0, or I'm just being careful, minus 0 or plus 0. Here is a comma. Okay, so if I have a 0, then I will do continue, which means in a for loop when I'm saying continue, it means move to the next iteration. So it will extract this token and then it will extract the next token instead of checking if x is or is not inside the token. So I took care of this part. Now, when I change the formula and I'm presenting it to the user in the new form, I should check if left hand side tokens it's empty. So right hand side tokens cannot be empty because I didn't take anything out from it. I didn't change it. So I will say if len of LHS tokens equals 0, and I will indent here with two spaces. I will say LHS tokens dot append 0. So I will put the 0, so I will never have a left hand side empty token. Now in the end, I might still have a left hand side empty token, because let's say I'm taking out the 0, but maybe the other terms have x, so it will never go through this else loop. So what I will do after my for loop, I will check again. So I will check again if left hand side it's empty. I will add the token, and only in that case I will write the formula. So let's save it and execute both tests. So the original test Okay, it is our initial larger than problem, and then the smaller than test where we switch left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so now we have t smaller than b plus f times x, the smaller than problem. T has been moved to the right hand side and 0 has been added to the left hand side tokens because left hand side tokens was empty. Okay, so now I'm confident that our algorithm is reasonably good, so we took in consideration if there is a 0, we added a 0 if the list is empty. Next lesson we'll move into writing the same algorithm for the right hand side tokens. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.